Hey, what's story? My name is Adriano Puppo. I am a hardcore punk rock drummer from Brazil, based in Ireland for the past 12 years. I've been playing the drums for 25 years, and I'm here to talk about Collision Drumsticks. I use the Collision 5D Reach, and honestly, they are perfect for my style. The extra length gives me way better reach on my cymbals, especially when things get fast. They're super balanced and durable. I've been really enjoying working with Collision because they open space and I support independent artists. Here are some clips of me playing the drums. I hope you guys enjoy. Cheers. Thank you.